nakatuktok po.
Dapat wala kami.
Hi! Nakatuktok po kami ngayon. Papunta po kami sa apartment. Ayan. My friend Brenda Pilay. So this is our first time. No, I mean my first time pala. Our first time to come here at Hua Hin.
Ayan. Yung sinasabi ko sa'yo, ayun.
Ayan.
So yan yung...
Awan mo't kami timatinong ako na dayta.
Yan yung...
Awan timatinong ako radahan.
Yan na nga yun.
Siguro awan timatinong ako na dayta. Dayta lang talaga iso nga talaga ngayon pababada. So welcome to Hua Hin.
We're going to tour you around Hua Hin.
Ayan. So samahan niyo po kami guys. Let's go.
So ito is the city of...
This is the city of Hua Hin. That is the mall. We went back a while back. We went back a while back. Ano daw yun?
Our lunch.
Brunch.
Late lunch.
Oh yeah. Time check, it's 4 p.m. in the afternoon and we're heading to Blue Rock. I don't know how to pronounce Blue Rock. Ano pagkano yung pagka-pronounce nila? Blue Rock? Yipgao. Blue Rock Yipgao. Ayan, so apartment yung style niya. And hindi kami sure kasi walang confirmation kasi last minute kami nagpa-book. Walang confirmation na nagpa-reserve kami sa hotel na yun. So nagbabaka sakali na meron talaga.
Pini hotel, umalay mo. Kurang pala yun.
Kaya nga eh. Ayan.
Ayan na Hua Hin. Ganito pala sa Hua Hin.
It's like Bangkok also.
May pagkakapal.
It's like you're there in La Union.
Oo. You get to like...
Yeah.
It's like you are in, where is this in the Philippines? It's in Pangasinan area.
Yes.
Ganito siya.
And it's hot also. What's the temperature right now? It's 33 degrees Celsius.
Saka rin, maganda siya puntahan na get away for your summer vacation.
Because their main tourist spot here is the beach. Right?
Yeah, marami din silang mga historical places na pwede puntahan.
Like what? Or where?
It's a bit far from the city. I think you need to take a taxi or a tuk-tuk.
It's same like this, right? So they have like also museum. I think we're not going to go there. We'll just go visit beach only. Ayan, kasi since it's summer, gusto lang namin magtampisaw.
Guys, we arrived at Blue Rock Resort but suddenly something happened, so we went to the neighboring resort, which is Tutu Beach Resort.
Hi guys, welcome to Tutu Beach Resort. They have telephone number and free Wi-Fi. So for one night, it's only 400 baht and very affordable guys. So dito po kami mag-check-in. So they have a lot of rooms that is not occupied since it's COVID. Ayan. So the room is really good for us na nagtitipid. Ayan. Yan yung style ng labas nila. Tutu Beach Resort is good for 400 baht, or I'm not sure about the 350 baht. I can't read Pasatay. Hi guys, so right now we're here at Tutu Beach Resort and this is our second day to stay here. And right now we're having coffee with friends, of course. Then later on we are going to go to the market, Blueport, I think, Blueport near Kikada Market. And afterwards we're planning to go to Huahin Beach. Yan. So, di-discover po natin using Songteo. Ayan. So, since mahirapan po ng mga sasakyan dito, and, yun nga. So, time check, it's 7:30 in the morning, and, yan, you can see the Mr. Sun there. Mr. Sunshine is over there. And, today we are enjoying our coffee. So, yan, right now. Yan. Feel namin, nasa Pangasinan lang kami. Kasi, yung parang bahay, same lang sa, sa baba. Ayan. Ayan, pakita ko mamaya yung style ng bahay. Kasi old house to. Very old talaga siya. And Christian yung nagmamayari kasi may cross. Kaya, ito yung una namin nagustuhan dito, yung may cross. So, nung nakita namin ito kagabi, dito na tayo. Kasi nga, supposed to be, yung hotel namin is sa Blue Rock. I mean, it's not hotel, but it's an apartment. Pero ang nangyari kasi, may nakasabay akong nagbayad sa booking.com. So, yung nangyari is, mas nauna yung lalaki. So hopefully i-refund yung pera ko na 700 baht. Ayan, doon sana kami magstay. Tapos, di ba pumunta kami doon sa sa apartment na yun. Pero chinek talaga nila yung name, wala talaga. Ngayon, ito yung mas malapit doon sa apartment na first na pinuntahan namin. Kaya dito na kami napadpad. Nilakad lang kasi namin kasi nagastuhan kami sa Songteo at taxi kagabi na imagine that 300 baht. Afterwards, 150. So bali, yung pagpunta namin dito na paghanap ng location na yun na Blue Rock Soy 29 is 450, which is hindi pa naman pala natuloy. Blessing in disguise din siya kasi at least nakita namin tong bahay na ito ni Lola, ni Ante, kasi napaka-friend din niya. Napaka-friendly, tapos makwento. Ayan. So, thankful din kami kasi nangyari yon. At least nahanap namin tong bahay na to. So, mag-stay kami dito ng mga 2 nights. Ayan. That's our room. Yan. Oh, sorry, makalat. Andito kami. Dito kami naka-stay. They have air conditioner. We have TV.